What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we're doing a dumb mod, but I think they look so cool. We're putting an exhaust tip on our 2015 F-250. We're getting started right now. But first, if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and drop those comments down below. What do you think of the exhaust tip? I know they don't do anything like super cool other than they look awesome. So we're putting a tip here. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so I do like a 4-inch exhaust on these trucks. I think they sound cool, but I think at the tailpipe section, they leave a little something to be desired. We got our tailpipe right here. I'll walk back to the truck. Okay, before I pull it out, guys, what's your guesses? How big did I go? Do we have a polished tip? What do we got? Get your guesses. What do you think I put down below? There will be an affiliate link for this and polished ones down in the comments or in the description, so go check that out. So here it is. We went with a 6-inch tip. It is gloss black. It's got a little fleck in it, not a lot, but it kind of matches the truck just a little. I think that'll look super cool down there. But first, we got to see how far back we need to cut. Then we need to actually cut. Then we can put this on here and go from there. So I'll be back with you. I'm going to start figuring that out. And then as soon as I have about where we're going to cut, I'll show you what I did to come to that. Okay, so we didn't cut anything. We just started pushing it on to see where it falls. I kind of like this look. It sticks out just a little bit, but it's not past the tire. I think that's a pretty cool look. So it'll be like right here, but as you can see in there, it looks a little, I think you can see in there, it looks a little goofy. So we are going to cut back a little bit. So we just put that on to see how far back we could go. So we just put that on to see how far back we had to go. So it was like right there. So I'll probably cut a little in front of that to give us some wiggle room for how much we like, where we want it. So I'll probably cut about here, not the whole way back, and that way this isn't sticking out super far and we have room to make adjustments on it. So I'm going to cut that. We'll be right back. Right, there it is. We are going to quick test fit this now, see if we can get it lined up where we want to. Word of advice, make sure you're using the charged battery, not the one that's literally about to die, because, well, that'll make things a lot harder. Alright, so I need to kind of trim this down a little bit around here to get my new piece on, so I won't show you that. We're just going to use die grinder, quick go around here, get this cleaned up. Back with you guys in a little bit. All right, so Milwaukee M12 Fuel Sawzall to cut the pipe. Their M12 Fuel right angle die grinder. I love these two tools. They're super awesome. With the full battery, this thing cuts through steel super, super nice. I love it. Anyway, now we have our pipe here. So all I did was kind of clean up the cut a little bit, not super great here. All I did was really clean this up just a little bit, not super great, it's not super precise, but it works, so that's what matters. So we're gonna get this pipe on here. There we go. So again, we cut it back far enough that we'll be able to just put this on, but if I wanted to adjust it more, say down the road I wanted to come out further, I don't think I will. I kind of like it right about there. Yeah, I think that looks really sharp. Sweet, I've already managed to put a scuff in it because I'm awesome. But, oh well, minor thing, no big deal. So yeah, it's a relatively cheap piece if I wanted to replace it in the future, put a polished one. Whatever, I've polished one on the white truck. I really like that look, but I thought the black would be kind of cool. So there's a little drain hole here, so make sure that's down so any water drains out. And then a clamp. All right, so we pulled on that, and that held pretty good. Nothing, like I said, nothing super major here. I just think this is a super clean look. I like the way that turned out. Super easy thing. I mean, I've been at this like 5 minutes. That's with goofing around with video and stuff and trying to make things longer than they need to be for the video. Hey, I just think that's a clean look. I kind of wish it was a little longer so I could push it back further, but oh well, that's fine. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. I'm going to give you an idea of what the next cosmetic mod is. We're doing some small stuff to the truck. By the way, guys, get your 6.0 Bro merch. Should be the merch shelf down below. This is our Making 6 Liters Great Again. Check that out. Don't forget our SOB shirts. Don't forget our Delete, Tune, Stud, Repeat. One of my favorites. I need to order that one actually. Hoodies, t-shirts, you name it, we got it. Go check that stuff out, guys. Marker lights. We're replacing marker lights next, because I don't like these yellow ones. That's really why. They work fine, they work great, they still look cooler than not having them, but we have some blacked out ones that are actually here, but I have to do some schoolwork, so I don't know if we're doing them today or tomorrow, maybe Monday, but we got one mod done here. And in true Making 6 Liters Great Again fashion, I also was working on a buddy's truck, that one that's having the P132B code. I think we finally got it. We got turbo in there, pulled the turbo in 23 minutes. It's not a bad time to pull a turbo. And then 50 minutes, everything back together, wrestled the turbo in, tightened up, done. So, and I was trying to show you guys a lot of detail. That video probably came out already. I might do this one first, then that one. I don't know, we'll see. But affiliate link down below for that, guys. Get your 6.0 Bro merch. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, guys. Drop those comments down below. What do you think of the exhaust tips? Worth the couple bucks to put them on, or a complete waste of money since they don't really do anything? I'll see you in the next upload.